haven't been very productive. I am going to be in the afternoon. I'm going to sort our garage a little bit. We had a new roof put on it after Storm Goretti blew a panel off, and yeah, the landlady had the new roof put on, and the guy that was doing it had shifted all our stuff around. Rightly so, he had to get in there safely, and yeah, it's a mess in there. So we need to sort out a pile for the tip and what we're keeping. But first, I'm going to show you some bits. First off, this bag is from Vinted. It is the one my daughter sent me a link for her swimming, because she likes swimming, and I said pick something from Vinted that you want, because she had a great parents' evening, and she picked this, so that's alright. It's nice Jack Will's little bag, which she's going to use as a swimming bag. I also went to post a letter, and it's very close to the charity shop, so I went in and I'm going to show you what I got. I got some bags. This £1 is going to be for flour. I've been keeping my eye out for a big pot for flour, £1. And then I saw this, which was also £1. They need a good clean. I'm thinking maybe oats. I'm just really into the storage containers at the minute, especially for stockpiling food. So £2 for them. So they were in one charity shop, which is my favourite, like the cheap one. And then my second favourite charity shop, which is slightly more expensive, but they're not overpriced, if that makes sense. They don't have really cheap stuff in there, but what they do, it's nice quality stuff, and it's not too badly priced. But it's a charity shop I get these little fabric squares from. I like the look of these, considering I'm making some more lavender pouches. £1 for them. And they also do new stuff, so some of it I think is really overpriced when you get the new stuff in charity shops, like they have toys and things. This, which is right up my son's street, and we can take it up to the big field to play with it, was only £2, where they get some tacky plastic cars and stuff for £2, but I thought this was actually really good, so I'm going to wrap this up as well for my son's birthday. My best buy, which is from the charity shop I got the tubs from, was this. They had a big sale on duvets and things, and this was double duvet cover and 2 slips for £3. I know some people are like, oh, I would never use that second hand. I don't care. Give it a good old wash. It's fine. If you went to a hotel, guys, you know, you're sleeping on bedding that's just been washed. I'm just telling you that, you know, it's not brand new every time. But anyway, I'm going to give this a good wash. I'm going to get it out a minute and we're going to have a good look at it. How pretty is that? It's a lot more deeper, like teal, than showing up on here, and this is very shiny gold. Actually has a sheet with it as well. So I'm going to get this all washed up. Currently we have one duvet like set, and I have to wash it and dry it the same day. So if it's raining, I have to put it in the tumble dryer, and I hate doing that. So when I saw this, I messaged my husband. I was like, what do you think? And he was like, yeah, I get it. So it'll be easier for washing and drying. I'm very, very happy with that. I'm going to get this in the wash and on the washing line. So when I picked up the Vinted parcel from the InPost, which is beside my local Tesco's, I always pop in then to see if there's any reduced stuff. Well, I needed to get some bread, and I went past the World Food section, and there were so many club card offers that, oh, I perused there for ages. I always get these. They're normally £2.10. They're reduced to £1.65, like club card. They're not reduced, yellow sticker. They're just on sale. Now, I still got some paprika in a little pot, and I've said when I realised these were a lot cheaper to buy, even when they're not on offer, it's cheaper to buy these than these sorts. Hang on. This is like 90p, I think it's £1. And you get, how much do you get in it? 50 grams. This bag is 100 grams. Let me see what it is full price. 100 grams, and it's £1.10 full price. I paid 85p for this on the club card offer, so I'm keeping that. That's going to go in my little stock cupboard until this is used up. These were showing at 90p, so that's a lot cheaper than buying like one of those little pots, because it's 100 grams, 70p. These are on Club Car for 70p. I don't know if it's just my Tesco's, so I'm not done like a build your stockpile for £3 a week, because I will add in things like onion powder and garlic powder. I've not included that for this. I want to do it at full price, so it's, you know, everybody can get it. But currently in my Tesco's, these are 70p. So if you do like this stuff, go and check it out. They had a lot more than this, and if you are well into your spices, you could get really, really good deals. So yeah, I've got these. Very happy with the price of these. So these are going in the stockpile cupboard till I need them. And this one is going to go in this little jar, one of the jars my mum gave me. Been waiting for a use for this, but for 70p for 100 grams, I wasn't leaving it there. There was a little bit too much for my pot, so I've just added it into this one. That is pungent, my goodness. Gonna get this in the cupboard. I've written garlic pow on top, just in a pen, so we can rub it off if we ever use it for something else in the future. And these are going in my cupboard. So, do you want to have a little look through this with me to see what fabrics I've got? It might be some that I've already got. Might be some really cool ones. Who knows? I stink of garlic, guys. I spilt some on my hands and I've washed them, and I can still smell it. It's really, really pungent. So let's see. A couple of them. No, they're two different ones, or front and back of a duvet or something. I like that if they get damaged duvets and things, they reuse the fabric like this, not just turn it into rags. I think that one's pretty. Really like that one. These ones are like the old bed sheets, you know, like the ones you used to get when you were kids. Quite a lot of them. They're nice backing if you've got a bit more of a brighter fabric for the front, say this. This is for my lavender bags, and then you put something a bit more muted on the back. Oh, definitely some kind of bedding. More of those ones. Let's have a look. What's this one? Oh, interesting. They remind me of those little red spiders that used to crawl all over walls when I was a kid. Don't see them so much now. Oh, I like these like sort of foliage ones. More of those other ones. Oh, more of the one I like. That's good. And I suppose that red could be a good backing for something. Another one of these. See some pink. Sometimes the kiddie ones I don't like too much, like that. That one's alright because you can tell it's My Little Pony. Let's have a look. That one's a big eyeball, so it's like, hang on, let me open them up. So you can tell this was a My Little Pony bedding, but I wouldn't particularly use these for my lavender bags, but I don't get rid of anything, because if you need scrappy bits, different colours. Now this one, love this. This is one of my favourites so far in this pack. Oh, I like that too. Really, really like that one. And this one, more foliage. And then these, which I like. This is what I bought the pack for, because I saw that. Quite happy with them. For £1, you can't go wrong, and it's repurposing old duvets and things. So yeah, very happy with that. So I did start sorting the garage, basically making a big pile for the tip. Didn't film that because that was a task. I'm nowhere near done, but I've got the week to do it. Had to go and pick my son up from school, took him to the barber's because yesterday we went down there, the barber's was shut. It was a whole thing, and I thought tomorrow's Flora Day. We have a whole day out at the local Helston Flora Day, and it's a big day because my kids are dancing. So I thought, let's have a treat breakfast. And if you remember, I got these at the food larder a few weeks ago. They were in the freezer, so I've got them out to defrost. Some chocolate croissants and pain au chocolats. In the morning, we're going to heat them up and have them with a little bit of chocolate syrup just to set off the fun day. So I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, comment. It all helps the channel. Thanks guys, and I'll catch you next time.